We'll continue with the characteristic equations. So basically, the characteristic equation, okay, of a flip flop, the characteristic equation of a flip flop gives the algebraic description of its next stable state. Okay, it gives the algebraic description of its next stable state. Okay, so the algebraic description can be obtained by method of k-maps, okay, for the output of the flip-flops and then simplifying. Okay, it means what, we already have the function table of various flip-flops. Okay, the SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, the T flip-flop and D flip-flop. Okay, so using this function table we need to create the k-maps, and from k-maps, by this time you know how to simplify the k-map. So with the help of the k-maps you have to get the equation for the particular flip flop. Okay, so consider the function table of the flip flops with the control clock implied, right? Now that is, these flip flops respond only with reference to the clock, may it be pulse triggered or edge triggered. Okay, now edge triggered flip flops are generally called as clocked flip flops. Okay, so the other name for the edge triggered flip flops are also the clocked flip flops. Okay, so see, these are the function table of S and R, SR latch, JK latch, D and T latches. Okay, that these flip flops will make use of this. Okay, so since the next state of these flip flops depend on their present states, right, this same function table we can modify like this. Okay, see, we know that for a 3 input gate I require 2 power 3, that is 8 cells. So I require 8 cells, it means 0 to 7 columns are the cells I require. Okay, so I modify the above truth table, this truth table or the function table, to have 8 outputs. Okay, so this is a modified truth table or function table or the next state of SR flip flop, JK flip flop, D and T flip flop. Okay, so I said you this is the modified. For example, here if you see here, if S equal to 0, R is equal to 0, right, we get present state same as previous state. Okay, and if S is equal to 0, R equals to 1, we get output 0. If S is 1, R is 0, we get 1. Okay, so using this we are going to create the truth table. Okay, so this is a function table for SR, JK, D and T flip flop, as I said. Okay, so now see, the K map of the next stable state of a flip flop can be drawn as, right? So keeping this in mind, see this. Okay, this is a function table for SR flip flop. So using this, a K map is created. Okay, this is a K map. So where I have taken S, then I have taken RQ. Okay, so I get Q plus is equal to S bar plus R bar Q. Okay, so the SR condition here, SR equal to 0 condition ensures that S is equal to R is equal to 1 input condition is avoided. Okay, so S equals to 1, R is equal to 1 input condition is required to be avoided, because see here, if S equal to 1, R is equal to 1, then the output remains undefined. Okay, so that condition we have to avoid, right? So accordingly, see, S equal to 1, R equal to 1, my output is not defined here. So here I have used those conditions as don't care. So I considered this to be giving me one expression. So once I simplify this using K maps, this gives me S bar and this gives me R bar Q. Okay, so this is the characteristic equation for the next state of a SR flip-flop. Okay, so similarly making use of this JK, master next state of JK, T and D flip-flop, here are the K maps. Okay, so this is the K map for JK flip-flop, right, where once you solve you get for this cell you get K bar Q, and for this cell you get it to be J Q bar. Okay, you get it to be J into Q bar. Similarly, the characteristic equations for D and T flip-flop are derived from the K map. Okay, so this is all about the characteristic equation. I hope up till here you have understood. Okay, so this is characteristic equation for next state of the SR flip-flop, where you get Q is equal to uh, this is small correction here. Okay, so I have covered this. Okay, so it means Q is equal to S plus R bar Q. Okay, it's not S bar, it is S plus R bar Q, right? Similarly here, right, I explained you get Q bar. Okay, and here only this, it represents Q plus equal to D, and here it is this plus this, which is nothing but T XOR Q. Okay, so this is all about the characteristic equations. Thank you.